I'm off excited. I've just done delivery of my new broom. Oh, it's a bra looking thing. I'm fair tricked with it. Aye, I am. It's come just in time for our annual get together doing it, Craiglech. Aye, aye. Oh, well, you see, I had to get a new one because, last year we had a disaster. Aye, we did. Well, I got down to the Warlickstein and we had a rare time. Dancing a boot and casting some spells and, just hearing a shindig. But then, we got all carried away. We forgot what time it was. And when we realised it was nearly sunrise, well, we all loped onto our brooms and headed up into the left. Aye, and we were trying to get home quick as quick could be. But we weren't quick enough. And we were just gone out of Birkwood when the sun rose full in our faces. Oh, well, michty. Of course, our magic disappeared in a puff. And we get tumbling down out of the sky, right down into the Birkwood. Oh, I was bracing myself. Oh, I was. I thought this is going to be sair. But it was kind of fine, actually. See, what happened was, our brooms got stuck in the bark trees. Aye, Ken, one bit, got tangled up in the branches of the bark tree, and so we were left kind of hanging a bit. But at least it wasn't the hard landing I was expecting. No, it wasn't. So we managed to clamber down the trees and limp our way home. But our brooms were stuck here. And if you can get into the Birkwood today and look up, you'll still see all those bundles of twigs dotted about all over the place. And now you can who they got there. Aye.